Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in real estate with PropertyNest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your investment goals. Determine whether you want to generate passive income or achieve long-term appreciation. Familiarize yourself with the local real estate market. Research neighborhoods with promising growth potential. Identify the type of property you want to invest in, such as residential, commercial, or mixed use. Set a budget for your investment, considering both upfront costs and ongoing explore financing options, such as traditional mortgages, hard money loans, or cash purchases. Consider your credit score, as it will impact your financing terms. Sign up for an account with PropertyNest to access their tools and resources. Use PropertyNest's property search feature to find listings that align with your investment criteria. Utilize filters to narrow down options based on location, price range, and property type. Take the time to analyze each property's investment potential with PropertyNest's analytics tools. Look at key metrics like cash flow, cap rate, and potential appreciation. Once you've found a suitable property, conduct a thorough inspection. Hire a professional inspector to identify any costly repairs or issues. Evaluate the property's location, considering factors like schools, amenities, and accessibility. Prepare an offer based on your research and the property's condition. Consider working with a real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. Negotiate terms that work for both parties before finalizing the purchase. Once your offer is accepted, proceed with due diligence. Review all legal documents and property disclosures carefully. Secure financing if needed, ensuring all paperwork is in order. After closing, focus on property management strategies. Decide whether to manage the property yourself or hire a property management company. Set rental rates based on market conditions and typical rental prices in the area. Market your property effectively to attract quality tenants. Screen potential tenants thoroughly to reduce risks. Stay informed about local laws and regulations concerning rental properties. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.